Point 7 is data protection top of mind, and that's for everybody throughout the organisation really. So apply the principle of privacy by design throughout, right the way through their journey in their relationship with you. And there's a lot of store made by some of the people that are putting themselves up as GDPR experts to talk about privacy impact statements and privacy protection impact assessments. So there is work being done out there, but just be careful really, okay? For example, storage with Office 365 and Dynamics are okay. So if you've got your data on that, just make sure they're UK-based servers. But Yammer and Sway are in the US, so you'll need to check if you're storing data on things like that, okay? And look at the way your data's being processed. Tools to help. I've listed here some key support tools, and I know, Harry, you've got practical experience of using some of these.
I think the ICO toolkits are fantastic. They're free. There's 7 of them. Just go to the website. The first one, if you follow up for your business, you'll probably find that you should have been registered for the last 20 years under the Data Protection Act 1998, and there's only about 9% of people who should have been were registered. IT Governance is an organisation that were very quick on the market for training and developing practitioners in GDPR. They've got £495 document kit and a £45 tool kit. Treat the ICO, Information Commission Officer, as your best friend to try and to get yourself up to speed with the GDPR. They'll even come out to your business as a small business for a day and give you free advice. They'll look at 3 crucial areas of your business in relation to general data protection for nothing. So that's a tremendous sort of assistance from them. I've come across a product called Risicon from Crossword Cybersecurity, and that's originally a cyber tool that asks you all the questions in your business of how you deal with data. It gives you a gap analysis against Cyber Essentials, which is under you're going to have to prove that you comply with a lot of things in GDPR. It's prove it to me. That's a good compliance basis for a small business. Get Cyber Essentials for about £300 for your business as quickly as possible. But it then goes to a gap analysis on the GDPR. So there are tools like that. They're a catalyst for change. If you've got the confidence, just use the ICO on its own. If you want to work within a team, a group of people, then that's always great if you've got like-minded people in similar businesses to yours, like schools, collaborate a lot together.
What's the sort of price of the Risicon?
Risicon should be about £500. A lot of the top accountants and solicitors in the country have purchased licenses to use that, and they're putting it out at about £400 at the present moment to their clients,
okay.
Particularly using it for charities. I've got a reseller arrangement with them, but I've not used it at full price. I've just basically got them to support charitable groups and do special terms for charitable groups.
Okay.
If a management consultant says, I want to do the gap analysis for you, then go ka-ching, because it's going to cost you a fortune. They're going to try and give you their own interpretation of how they make the standard, and they don't transfer the knowledge to you so that when you've paid their nice handsome bill, it goes somewhere else. They go somewhere else, and you've not got that retained knowledge within your business. So be incredibly careful about all these experts. I've had a 1-week course like I did in April. You know, I didn't look for a client for 5 months, and because I was actually learning about GDPR after I passed the exam. So be very careful about consultants.
Okay.
You buy one of them at great expense, and it can be a very poor waste of money.
And then be careful to transfer that knowledge to your organisation if you do go down that route.